Hi everyone, welcome to the Insightful Ladies. So in this video, I'll show you how you can speed up your website step by step. So first question arises is why speed matters. So speed matters because you can lose your conversions if your website does not have a good speed, and also it will affect your Google's ranking, which is also not good for the online image for your website or for your business. Let's get started. So before moving into the steps, before you create a website, you must take into account the few steps which will make your website performs good in terms of the speed. For example, choosing a good hosting and which provides a good caching mechanism, and which has hosting services which provides a CDN, specifically the Cloudflare CDN. If not, it is a premium you can just buy externally. And along with this, you also create your pages with a minimum DOM size so that it doesn't affect the overall page speed. Let's get quickly start a few steps. So first, let's a good caching mechanism. So for that, definitely if your hosting server provides one, you should enable these options, memcached or dynamic. But you can also additionally install a plugin which is a lightspeed cache, or also there is WP fasted cache plugin, WP superfast plugin. Definitely, so these are the plugins which can help you to improve the caching mechanism for your website. I'll just explain quickly a simple forms what is caching. So caching is basically storing the static version for your website, which is the fastest way of displaying your page to the user. So let's move on to the second topic. So in the second, we will which is the optimization of the images. For that, because the plugins like Short Pixel or Smush, and if your server hosting provides it to convert your images into a certain or latest processing versions, which is a WebP and AWIF. I have activated the Smush plugin. I have my website. Yes, yes, we want a lazy loading and optimizing original images, automate compression. Yeah. You can just disable this if you don't want a super compression, and I'll just continue this. So I'm just skipping this one for now. I don't need a super compression for now. It's just a testing website. And I'm just moving to the third step. In the third step, we minimize the use of plugins because and now are the external file which you use, which to improve or add the additional functionality or the functions to features to your website. But you should not overdo it. You should not overuse the plugins, and also you should always deactivate or delete the plugins which are not in use, and try to use minimum plugins because it will add up to your website speed a lot. And try to fourth step, you must use a lightweight theme, which is for example the Astra and the Hello Elementor themes. So if you're using Elementor, you can just easily use Astra and the Hello Elementor, because you can just basically create anything from the Elementor. And lastly, after everything done, you can just go on and test your website on the Google Page Speed Insight, and just check the overall insights, how your website is performing, how what does your website score for the mobile and the desktop. And also you can just go through the points which is mentioned, which are blocking your way in speeding up the website. You can just work on that based on these things. Many times it is images, many times it should try to use only a single family of fonts or not more than two. And if you can, just try to locally upload your fonts and use via CSS files. So these are the steps which you can use and apply on your website. So overall improve the performance for your website. And so these coming videos will go through each topic in detail. And thank you so much, guys. Bye.